welcome into this video. In today's video we'll be installing the new brake lines. Let's dive right in.
Okay, so we start off by putting this adapter onto here. I put some Teflon tape on it just to help with that it's not leaking. Okay, so that's one connection done. Now on the other side we'll have a 90 degree that will come up like this. So here we have the 90 degree that will go up. On this side we'll install a T connector, and the T connector will then have two hoses that go to either side of the brake lines. Okay, well it's on, but the lines are a bit in the way. Ideally I want to have it going through here, so I will remove this cable binder there because eventually these will be replaced as well. Alright, now the cable clamp is removed, so now these lines can move a bit more free. Okay, so now it's coming on. Yes. So just tighten it a bit. Like so. Now we have a hose right here that can go here. And then it will be heading off to both brake lines. Okay, what I forgot to show you is that these connectors, they have a rubber ring inside of here. So that's why I'm not using any of the Teflon tape on the connectors right now. But the main adapter right there, it doesn't have that. So that's why I used Teflon there. So now we can connect this one onto here. that's now connected. And then this one will go right there. Now we have one right here that will go to the right side. I got the same length on the other side. Now this one can go in here and connect up to the real lines. So that's one of them, and we have 3 of those to do. The other one is coming from a side right there, and then there's one more that is coming from the front of the truck. And for the one for the front of the truck, I got a special hose. All right, now on the bottom of this one, below this one, there's another connector, and that's where I got this hose for. We'll screw onto this one like so, and then yeah, it's just connecting to a T-connector. So yeah, so first up we'll put this one back in there. Alright, so this one is connected now. We got our hose right here. And that will connect up right there. Alright, so this one is connected right now. So what we'll do now is we will go to the back of the truck and we will install all of the new lines at the back. And then we come back to the front to connect all the other new lines directly to the lines where they are supposed to be, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's continue at the back. Okay, so now we're at the back of the truck, and what we'll do right here is we will connect these lines up like so. Alright, so that's one. I just put this line up like so, and now we've got a few more to go. So what I see right now is that these ones are different than this one, because this one has a thread, but this one is inverted. So I need to have basically the old ones, they have like an adapter between. So I basically need those, but I don't want to use the old one. So I will get these but new ones and then put those in instead. I'll see you back when I got them.